Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Z55 Ultra Smart Watch with your mobile phone. First, fully charge your watch. This prevents power interruptions during setup. Next, make sure your mobile phone is close by and connected to the internet. Then, we will confirm your phone's software version meets the app's requirements, ensuring a smooth pairing experience. Now, let's get the companion application installed on your phone. Search for Wear Fit Pro in your mobile's app store. It is available on both Apple and Android devices. Download and install it, accepting any required permissions for full functionality. Once installed, either create a new user account or log in with your existing credentials, ensuring you are ready for the next step. With the app open, ensure Bluetooth is active on both your phone and your Z55 Ultra watch. Within the Wear Fit Pro application, look for an option like Add Device or Bind Device. Tap this, and your phone will scan for nearby devices. Then, simply select your Z55 Ultra from the list that appears to begin the pairing process securely. Once your octopus is tender from simmering, it is time to add that delicious caramelized finish. Drain the octopus thoroughly and pat it dry again, which is essential for a good sear. Brush the legs generously with extra virgin olive oil, then season them with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika. Grill or sear the octopus over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until perfectly golden and slightly crispy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.